What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Eric the Tutor. Today, I got a problem for you. Give it a shot, pause the video, let me know how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and solve it in 60 seconds or less. Let's get started. BR2 and HV is halogenation. It prefers the more substituted carbon. Mg and diethyl ether, that's gonna make a Grignard. This carbon is now ready to go attack the CO2. H+ workup to give us our carboxylic acid. And there you have it, 60 seconds or less. Nice job, we'll see you next time.